How do I make a cornstarch face mask?
Hello there. Are you looking to rejuvenate your skin with natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen? Today, we're making a DIY cornstarch face mask. It's simple, cost-effective, and suitable for all skin types.
Why cornstarch?
Before we dive into the process, let's talk a little about why we are using cornstarch. Cornstarch is a natural ingredient that can absorb oil, making it perfect for those with oily or combination skin. It's also known for its soothing properties, and it's often used in homemade beauty recipes to help calm down irritated skin.
What you'll need.
Now, let's gather the ingredients we'll need. This mask recipe is quite straightforward and calls for only 3 ingredients. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 2 1 tablespoon of honey. 3 1 egg white. Cornstarch works as a gentle exfoliant and oil absorber. Honey is a natural humectant that helps retain moisture, and the egg white tightens the skin and shrinks pores.
Preparing the mask.
Alright, time to get mixing. Here are the steps. 1. In a clean bowl, combine your tablespoon of cornstarch and tablespoon of honey. Mix until you have a smooth paste. 2. Separate your egg, keeping only the egg white. Add this to your cornstarch and honey mixture. 3. Mix well until you have a smooth, uniform consistency. And there you have it, your cornstarch face mask is ready.
Applying the mask.
Before applying the mask, make sure your face is clean and dry. Use your fingers or a brush to apply the mask evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Allow the mask to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Removing the mask.
Once the mask is dry, gently rinse it off with warm water, then splash your face with cold water to close the pores. Pat your face dry with a soft towel and apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration. And that's it. Easy, right? Remember, like with any skincare product, consistency is key. Use this cornstarch mask once or twice a week for best results. Always do a patch test before using new skincare products to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the benefits of your homemade cornstarch face mask. Happy masking!